Hello, everyone. My name is Sam, and today I want to share something truly significant with you, the importance of not giving up ever. Life is like one long journey. There are easy parts and tough parts. We all have dreams, we all have ambitions, and occasionally we hit roadblocks that leave us feeling tired or discouraged, wondering, can I really do this? In those moments, remember, keep going. Never surrender. Think of when you were a baby learning to walk. You fell many times, but did you stop trying? No, you kept at it until you finally took those steps. This same mindset applies to any dream or goal you have. Picture planting a seed. You don't wake up the next day to a fully grown tree. Instead, you water it, ensure it has enough sunlight, and wait. Over time, it grows tall and strong. Your dreams work the same way. They need patience, care, and your unwavering commitment. Don't stop watering them. Don't stop giving them light. There will be times you fail, but failure is not the end. It's a lesson that guides you forward. Look at scientists. If an experiment fails, they don't throw in the towel. They learn from it and try again. History's greatest figures all dealt with hardships, yet they refused to give up. If they could persevere and accomplish incredible things, so can you. Thomas Edison, the inventor of the light bulb, failed over 1,000 times before he finally succeeded. Most people would have given up after just a few tries, but Edison believed in his vision, learned from each mistake, and eventually triumphed. Michael Jordan, considered one of the best basketball players of all time, has missed more than 9,000 shots and lost close to 300 games. On 26 occasions, he failed the winning shot. He says he kept failing over and over, and that's precisely why he succeeded. The next time you feel like throwing in the towel, remember your favorite athlete. Think of all the times they stumbled and how they got back up. Their persistence led them to greatness, and yours can too. J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series, faced many rejections from publishers before her work was finally accepted. She had very little money, was raising a child on her own, and wrote her first book in cafes. Publishers repeatedly turned her down, but she believed in her story. At last, one publisher said yes, and now her books are beloved around the globe. Had she given up, we'd never have experienced the magic of Harry Potter. So when you're rejected, remember her perseverance. It's not an end, just another step. Now let's consider you. Whatever your goal, whether it's to be a doctor, a teacher, an artist, or something else entirely, your dream is within reach, but you have to work for it. You have to be ready to deal with obstacles. Look at Nick Vujicic, born without arms or legs. Despite that, he learned to swim, type, and even surf. He travels the world, inspiring people with his story, showing them that if you refuse to quit, you can do astonishing things. Nick says if he fails, he tries again and again. The human spirit can endure far more than we often believe. What matters is how you finish. Will you finish strong? Sometimes you'll need help, and that's completely normal. Seek assistance from family, friends, or teachers. They want to see you succeed. Asking for help isn't weakness. It's proof that you're dedicated and willing to learn. Next, let's focus on the power of words. Words can uplift you or drag you down, and when you're learning English, they're more powerful than ever. Choose them thoughtfully. Positive words can energize you and help you stay motivated. Every morning, look in the mirror and tell yourself, I can learn English. I'll try again today, and I won't give up. These affirmations will strengthen you and fuel your progress. Negative words, on the other hand, can create barriers. If you say, I can't do this, or it's too hard, you're training your mind to stop trying. Instead, try a different approach. Say, I am learning this word, or I'll keep practicing. Mistakes are part of the journey, not something to dread. They help you grow. Speak words that build you up and remind yourself that you are capable of achieving your goals. Yes, your journey may be long, and some days will be harder than others. But with a positive attitude and unwavering determination, you will get there. Never forget, do not give up. You've got this. By the way, do you find yourself forgetting English vocabulary even after hours of studying? If so, don't miss my next video on 5 strategies to remember English words. Click right here to watch.